In today's ever-evolving digital landscape, Google Ads stands as a titan, empowering businesses to reach audiences with unmatched precision and scale. However, simply stepping into this vast domain isn't enough. Mastering its nuances to craft impactful campaigns is the cornerstone of digital success. The heart of campaigns, keyword selection. At the very core of any successful Google Ads campaign is the art of keyword selection. These aren't mere words or phrases, they are the bridges that connect a business's offerings to the needs and wants of potential customers. Picking the right keywords means ensuring your ads meet users precisely at the intersection of their needs and your solutions. By understanding your target audience's language, habits, and search patterns, you can craft a keyword strategy that ensures your ads are both visible and relevant. Crafting a narrative. The role of ad copy. Beyond keywords, the narrative you present through your ad copy is paramount. This is where your brand voice meets audience curiosity. An engaging ad copy does more than just inform, it entices, persuades, and prompts action. It's the difference between a fleeting glance and a click that might culminate in conversion. Crafting this narrative requires a deep understanding of what resonates with your audience, coupled with the brand's unique value proposition. A visual affair. The power of imagery. While words can paint a picture, visuals can often be the magnet that draws an audience in. In the fast-scrolling world of online browsing, compelling images can be the anchor that makes a user pause and take notice. The imagery should not just be of high quality but must also resonate with the ethos of the ad copy and the expectations of the target demographic. The continuous cycle, testing and refinement. The realm of Google Ads isn't static. What works today might be outpaced tomorrow. Hence, the key to sustained success is continual optimization. By leveraging the rich analytics that Google Ads offers, businesses can continually refine their campaigns. This involves revisiting keyword strategies, tweaking ad copy based on performance, and alternating visuals to see what garners the best engagement. This cycle of testing and refinement ensures that campaigns remain agile and effective. Conclusion. Embarking on a Google Ads journey isn't about a one-time setup. It's about cultivating a campaign that evolves, learns, and grows. By giving due emphasis to keyword precision, crafting compelling narratives, using impactful visuals, and committing to ongoing optimization, businesses can ensure they not only navigate the Google Ads universe effectively but also harness its immense potential to enhance their digital visibility. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel.